Hey, record loving friends, this is Brian from TokyoRecordStyle, and I'm hanging out with Riko-san, who is here and has just introduced me to a shop that I have driven past for about 2 weeks now. It opened maybe 1ヶ月前ぐらい.
3月19日にオープンした。
Okay, it hasn't even been open for a month. And it's caught my eye because you will see, but it is a perfume shop. And it looks like a very famous brand that I should know about, but sadly I don't. We're here in Daikanyama, just nearby Tsutaya Daikanyama T-Site, and behind us, we're right across from the Danish Embassy. And if you come to Daikanyama, you should come and check this place out. Not only for the interesting perfumes that they sell, but for the amazing art installation that is downstairs, which I'm going to show you in a second. A perfumery, maybe we call it. And my favorite book is Jitterbug Perfume by Tom Robbins. And so I'm always very kind of curious about perfume. And Riko-san told me that the famous accent is kamo.
Kamo.
Kamo is chamomile. And interestingly, there's also a puppy-inspired smell. And the paws of the puppies have a kind of sweet popcorn smell. The show? Okay? So it's very kind of funny and cute. And wait till you see this place, because it's actually quite interesting. So here is a limited edition perfume in a paw. And these are inspired by the paws. I'm still a little bit kind of confused, but you can. They're testers, and you can smell them. I'm over there in the mirror. Hi, and you can see me smelling them if I'm reflecting. They're very nice. Let's see, Unknown Ode, White Darjeeling, Sunshine. Puppy. There's the one that I just smelled, and it's very interesting. The puppy smell, and it's quite peculiar. I have not seen a shop that is quite this taste. They have a very unique design sense. It's kind of very playful, but also sticky and elegant, and kind of I want to show you the downstairs, but I want to show you a little bit more. Tamburins is the name of the brand, and right now they have a campaign for the scrunchy hair, right? So they have a kind of cute new just debut shop opening, and these are nani? Kore wa nani? What are these? These are candles. They're very beautiful. I can see they're in really lovely glass. Yeah, those are beautiful. Okay, so there's glasses, and they come in these really nice glasses and some smaller ones, and there is one of our heroes in the yukata, okay? So we've got some cute things and some glassworks, and I think because of the chamomile scents, there's some yellow around the place, and I want to be mindful of other customers. I don't think there's any other customers here. お客さん、他にはない?
はい。
違うか? Okay. So let me show you 一回. Oh, let me just show you real quick around one more time, because there's no customers here. It's interesting. I don't know. There's like, you can wash your hands and try different things, and there's some cute, almost like necklace, leash, bag type inspired, and just like interesting details and shapes. And I like the tile. It's very funky and cool. And there's a big giant dog bone here in the middle of the room. いいですか? Do you want to say, いいですか? Hello, you want to say hello? 韓国人? Are you Japanese?
No, I'm Brazilian.
Brazilian, okay. So a Korean brand, Brazilian, Japanese staff, American. So I want to show you why I have come here, because thank you for saying hello. Boa noite, have a good night. I gotta show you the first floor. Okay, so let me take you around and wait till you see this. So a lot of details. And more yellow and more perfume. And dun da da da. What the heck? There is a giant Falcor-sized dog here that is beautiful, and it's so hyper realistic, and it's actually breathing, and it has a very strange sort of clothing on that's moving. His ears are moving, and he's totally alive. This thing is taller than me, and it's probably 30, 40 feet long. And it's very, very funky. It's got this really funky mesh sort of sweater on, and this kind of like armor. It's very, very funky, and his ears are going. I kind of want to ride him. Mei akiteru? Does his eyes open? No, okay. He's sleeping the whole time, but isn't he cute? Isn't he cute? Look at the detail. It's quite a lot. He's taking a nap right now, okay. So look, my gosh, he's pretty cute. I even see these little eyebrows twitching. Is it the wind or is it, look at that. Oh my gosh, okay. Right? Only in Tokyo. And I gotta show you this. There's one more crazy installation here. Can you see him breathing? And here's where the popcorn smell is coming from. You ever smelled your dog's pads, the paw pads? Apparently they smell like popcorn and they inspire perfume. But there's also this guy, this crazy robot that is all completely moving and breathing. And there's a lot of detail here. And he's going up and down. And I tried to ask a little bit about the details of the artists who designed these installations, but I don't know if they're known. And I would really, really like to say thank you for such an interesting and actually quite strange and provocative installation here. I mean, I'm pretty impressed. I've just been driving past this thing every day, and I've been thinking, what in the heck is going on at this space? And yeah, Perfume. Tamburins Perfume. And though this is today's and this season's mascot and concept, there's going to be different newer concepts and different types of inspiration for the perfume lines. And this will go on to another showroom, maybe in Paris or New York or somewhere where you are. But I want to say, wow. Wow, and woof woof. And a little bit out of the TokyoRecordStyle wheelhouse, but really cool nonetheless. And I want to thank Tamburin-san for letting me come in here, and they said, yeah, go ahead, make some photos. I actually encourage you to come check this out. It's wonderful. The fragrance is really, really wonderful. And yeah, it's sparking my imagination. It's really cool. Thank you, Riko-san. Thank you, Tamburin-san. I'm gonna go out here and wrap this up. Hontoni arigatou gozaimasu. So, I'm just seeing this giant dog in this window every day. So I just wanted to stop one time and check it out and encourage anybody who might be curious about it to stop. They're very nice, very friendly, and they welcome you here. And maybe you might find some perfume. Okay, well, until next time, thanks for tuning in. Like and subscribe if you're into perfume. Go read Tom Robbins' Jitterbug Perfume, one of my all-time favorite book. It's a wonderful story of love and perfume. And yeah, maybe in another life I could have been or maybe will be a perfumer. That would be a nice little dream. All right. Till next time, see you at the perfume shop. Bye.